Maayo na hapon sa iyo tanan, adi po yan na ang Bigwas Internet TV para sa ginatpatawag na press conference para sa mga issue na parehosan. Reduction of poverty rate na yan na bumaba sa 11.3%. Sa maabot na aktibidad sa Masbate yan na March 23, 2024, ang Pasulinggayan na may mga daragko na papremyo hali sa Sorsogon as sister province of Masbate. Kag sa mga maabot pa na mga aktibidad sa Masbate, parehosan Bagat-Dagat kag Rodeo Festival. Para sa mga updates, tumutok po sa Bigwas Internet TV. Ako po si Dayan Tabug para serbe sa iyo mga Masbateño. Okay, so good afternoon po, Gob. So we're asking po na if it's true daw po that there is a 11% decrease rate of poverty in Masbate.
It is true that it was published by a national daily newspaper that we have decreased by 11.3%.
11.3 to be exact.
To be exact.
And here's our follow-up question po, sir. Bob, what are the factors that contributed that makes the rate of poverty decrease?
That's a very good question. Because before, Masbate is one of the poorest provinces in the entire country. But with this tremendous decrease of 11.3%, parang nawala na sa atin ang poverty line. So first, the national government put up an infrastructure development in the province of Masbate. It so happened that my two sons and daughter is a representative on the respective district. On the third district, we have Congressman Tonton Ko. They have also put up their billions per annum. And in the second district, we have also Representative Araco. They have also introduced an infrastructure development of more than 1 billion per year, or 2 billion per year. Then we have Representative Richard Ko from the first district. Ganun din ang na-introduce niya. So, with the infrastructure development as far as the provincial government is concerned, and to our municipal LGUs and other LGUs, that is one of the factors to be considered bakit we have reduced our poverty. So, the reducement of this poverty is not only for the provincial government, but this is in connections also with the former President, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. There will be a pump priming by putting up of Roro Port, which is considered as Masbate, is considered as a central nautical highways. But we avail that program. That despite of critics of my political detractors, why put up so many vessels on their ports within the Masbate and its neighboring provinces, we did not stop. So, with the pump priming of who is considered as one of our economists, President, dito na nagkaroon tayo ng magandang pangabuhay. Look, we put up a Roro Port on any of the port of the Bicol regions, like of Piuduran, Pasacao, Pilar, Castillas, and from the Quezon province, we have a port of San Andres. And in Samar, we have a port of Calbayog. Then, in going to Negros, we have a port of Bugo. Then, Kawayan Port to Bugo, Katayngan Port to Bugo, Mobo Port and Katayngan, road to Calbayog City, Calbayog to Cebu. Then, Mobo to Pilar, Mobo to Castillas, Mobo to Pasacao. So, with this, nabuhay ang ating turismo. Because I do believe that in tourism there is livelihood. Kaya nga, halos kaunti na lang ang mahirap sa atin. We generate employment. Gaya ng barko namin. We generate hundreds of personnel na na-employ namin, mga seaman. Oh. With the beaches that we have, like we have Boracay of the North, of Balod, and other municipalities, restaurant. Dahil pag dating pa lang ng mga pasahero, buhay na naman ang transportasyon natin. Dahil tatakbo sila sa iba-ibang munisipyo. At saka with the connecting passengers from Cebu to Calbayog to Masbate to mainland to Manila. These linkages that we have, ito ang pang-priming na bumaba ang ating poverty line. Because this is a linkages from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Then, transportation. Pagdating ng pasahero, magpa-transport. Buhay ang transportation sa atin dito. Pagdating dahil pag oras ni peligro na, gutom na ang mga pasahero, salpak naman sa restaurant natin. They also generate employment ang mga restaurant. Like Upmubo, Port. Tingnan mo mga restaurant doon. Kahit maliit-liit, natutuwa ko. Dahil marami na nabubuhay dahil 24 hours na ang operation sa Mubo Port. As a matter of fact, bago pa lang na-approve ang aming private commercial port, the container port and terminal services, the port of Mubo and the port of Mintak. This will pave the way to our special economic zone. Nandun na. Pagdating naman, ang gustong mamasyal, diretso sa mga beaches natin. Dahil connecting na tayo from Luzon, Visayas sa Mindanao. Then, ang na-delayed naman, kaya gustong magpa-delay din mamasyal sa Masbate, pasok naman sa mga hotel natin. If you will notice and try to know this, the veracity of this statement, mahunga nyo, mapangutanan natin ang mga hotels natin kung piraan nag-check-in sa inda ng mga tao at they start during the time or during my administration. Then, nando na. Not only for that, ang cause naman ng reductions of poverty, ang nakatulong sa atin isa pa. The 4 billion PRDP projects na there will be a linkages from farm to market road. Dili na kay regrab farm to market road. Another 2 billion na forbidding na tayo. Maka 01 na siguro tayo, 02, 03. That's another big projects of the provincial government. Then, despite of the critics of my political detractors as far as regrabbing and opening of roads, I did not stop because without regrab or opening of roads, there will be no 4 billion PRDP project. As a matter of fact, ang iba ng probinsya di nga nila ka-avail, didilugod, gimbubuang kita sin damo-damo na proyekto. That is one of the factors to be considered why there will be a reduction. Peace and order. Kay isa man ini na parte, we cannot convince an investor to invest in the province of Masbate if our problem will be peace and order. Improving ng peace and order dito. As far as insurgency, alam naman nyo, because that is a public knowledge, na improving naman. Halos wala na nga ang insurgency rito. So, I would like to thanks to our, because these reductions of poverty, it's not only to the provincial government, but it includes our representative of the 3rd, 1st, and the 2nd district, and also to the former President Gloria Arroyo with the Central Nautical Highways, and to the PNP, congratulations, to the peace and order with the index of index crime and non-index crime. Halos wala na, nababa na. And to our insurgency, to armed forces, congratulations also. So, Masbate now is the third wealthiest province of the whole Bicol region. Kag daka malalampasan pa nato na iba na probinsya dahil may 2 billion na ako for bidding sa PRDP projects. If that things will materialize, mas lalong the delivery of basic goods and services from farm to market road. Ina natanan through the initiative also of our private business sector that we encourage them to put up their business dahil nakikita that there will be a daily linkages now from Luzon, from Manila to Masbate, Masbate to Cebu, and Masbate to Negros. So, nagbutang sin mga negosyo ang mga tao dito.